Hey everybody, welcome to Country Girl. Today I have another Dollar Tree haul for y'all. I had told y'all that when they started putting fall stuff out, I was probably going to start going to the Dollar Tree more and having more hauls. I did go today. I got a lot of different little miscellaneous items. Some of it is fall, but I have a good variety here. Also, I did leave my car running because I've got air conditioning going. I just can't take the heat. So I apologize if you hear that. And I also apologize that this haul is in my car again. But it's just more convenient for me to do that versus going home trying to set up all my lights and everything. And I want to get this out here for you, as quick as I can. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and get started. So the first item that I picked up was this cute little red truck sign. And this is just made out of the, the board like they make all the other signs out of. It is a pretty good size. It's got a little leaf here. Of course, if you don't like the way this is, you can always repurpose this, repaint it how, you want it to look. They put one out like this last year. I think it was a metal one. I could be wrong. But by the time I decided to go back and get it, of course, they were all gone. And one of the things that I think I do want to do with this is I seen somebody had repurposed theirs last year and made like a little Halloween truck. And actually had like little jack-o'-lanterns in the back. So I think that might be something cute to do. So I may be using that for that. I also picked up this cute little windsock. My mother really loves windsocks and things like that. I don't know if you can see right here what it's supposed to look like. But she's got a bird feeder outside of her bedroom window. And the hook, it's like a double hook. And on the other hook, I wanted to get something to hang. And so I just thought this would be perfect. It's got sunflowers on it. So it is, kind of like good for this time of year. And I just thought it was really cute, so I did pick that up, and that's what I'm going to be doing with that. I also got some of this mesh tube. Now I have not seen anything like this. Now they have like the mesh tubing for the wreaths, for fall and for Halloween, but I've not ever seen any that has this natural color or twine running through it. So I really like that. I'm not sure how I'm going to use it, but this might be something cute. When I did my haul, the last haul I did, I showed you the pumpkin wire frame that I picked up, and I was going to do the green deco mesh for the stem, but that might be cute to tie off some of these for the stem instead. Or, make it curly and have some coming around like the vine. I don't really know, but I did like this. They have the other colors, but I got this one. We are going to the beach in about a week and a half, and we're not going to be going out very much. And I just thought, even though my girls probably could care less about some of this stuff, or they think it might be too young for them, when they're not really able to go anywhere and do much, and I'm not meaning going out on the beach and playing in the ocean. I just mean like, once you come inside for the evening, you want to have something to do to keep you busy other than just watch TV. So I picked up a couple more paint projects and a few other little things that I felt like they can do while we're at the beach. And so I'll just start out with this. I did pick up 2 packs of these glow sticks, and you get 8. These feel a little different, but anyway, it's supposed to be 8 bracelets with connectors. I don't know why these are different, but they look different. Maybe this one I think has more colors maybe. But I just thought, at night on the beach, it might be nice to go out there for a walk and have the glow sticks, and that way they could wear them and, just do different little things. We also have a little frisbee that we picked up at the Dollar Tree last year that you can insert these glow sticks in, and that's real fun for them to play with. So I did pick up 2 of those. I also picked up a beach ball. I think I've got one at home, but I've not ever seen one like this. This is actually pink glitter. And I just thought they would have fun bouncing that around in the pool. Not necessarily on the beach because the wind's so bad, I'm afraid that they would lose it and not be able to chase it down. But I did think this might be fun for them to bop around in the pool. And then I also picked up a pack of playing cards because, everybody can play cards. I probably got some around my house somewhere, but I don't know if it's all together. So for $1, I just thought I'll go ahead and buy another pack, and then that way we can play, rummy or something like that in the evenings after supper. And then I also got them each one of these little bubblies. These are really big. They're kind of a little weird, and when I say that, it's almost like they're a cross between an animal of some kind and a fruit. This one looks a little bit more normal. She's supposed to be an octopus. And you can kind of see like her little tentacles down here. I don't know what she's sitting on, but they've got these little bubble things in them. And, you know, no matter your age, these things are just fun to squish, you know, when you're sitting around watching TV, riding in the car, whatever. So I did get one of these for Madeline and one for Caitlin. And the other one that I got, it also looks like an octopus as well, just shaped a little bit different. And this one's pink. She's got the little bubble or round ball head, and then she's got these little tentacles that hang down like this. So I did pick that up, and for $1, as big as they are, I thought that was a really good find. And something else that I found that I have not seen, so I guess these are new. They always have these little pedestals and things like that, and I really love decorating with pedestals. So anytime I find them, of course, I want to buy them. And this just was a different design than have seen at my Dollar Tree. But this one is black, and if you can see the way the bottom is, how different this looks. They had black and they had white, and they also had two different designs. This was one of them, and the other one kind of had like rings or something, like, you know, a ring around the top and a couple around the bottom. And I was going to get a couple of them. I still might go back and do it, but I already have a lot of pedestals just because I bought them so much in the past. But the reason why I bought this particular one is because, one, it's black. Two, I want to use it for Halloween. I made some really cute little globes. I think it was last year, it may have been the year before, where I put like a little Halloween design in them, and I'll link that video, or put an iCard and also link it below if you want to see that, how that turned out. It was really, really cute, but I didn't really have anything to set it on. So I thought this would be so perfect to set that cute little globe on, and I did get that, and I just thought that was really good find. I really like the way it's shaped, and of course, if you don't like the color of these, you can always paint them. But if I was going to paint it, I would get the white because it would probably cover a little bit better than the black. I did get another sign, and it is a truck sign, but this is kind of like a yard stake. And so you can see the wood piece here, and this is what this looks like. It just says pumpkins fresh, or sorry, farm fresh pumpkins. I'm reading this backwards in my camera. And then 25 cents a pound. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it on this or take it off. If I was going to use this as a stake, I probably would not put it outside just because it is a wood stick, unless you don't care if it gets messed up. It's probably good for one season, but I doubt very seriously with the weather and everything this will hold up for another season if you put it outside. But you can also put these in little flower pots and things like that in your house as well. And it's made really good. I mean, it's the same type material that this other signs are made out of. So I just really like that. I thought that was cute. Picked that up. And then something I was really surprised to find, they had different wreath forms out at my Dollar Tree. They had the round ones, but they had a large round one, bigger than the ones that they normally sell. So if you're really wanting to make you a big wreath, you know, to hang over your fireplace, or, you know, some people I've seen put them over a garage and things like that, or a garage door, that would be really nice to get. I did not pick that up, but I did get this one, and this is a square wreath form. And I just thought that was really interesting because I thought, you know, you could do this square wreath form with however you want to decorate it. And, you know, you put so many different things in the middle of this. I mean, it's just, your options are, you know, endless. And I feel like that because of the way this is shaped, you know, you would have a lot more space in the center than you would your typical round wreath form. So I did get that. And then I found these, me and my mother like to work these little word search books. And so I did get two of the same kind. This is just says easy to read, word search, and large print. And I just like the little pineapples, thought it was really cute. So I did pick up one for me and one for her, something we can do when we're on the beach. And I'm almost done. I got 3 more things to show you. I also picked up another yard stake. This is a pretty little sunflower, and this is metal. And so I will be putting this outside. I'm probably going to put this next to the bird feeder because the little windsock that I picked up has got sunflowers on it. So I think that would look really cute next to that. And it's made really well. I mean, look how cute that is. You could put those next to your steps or, you know, anything. So I did get one of those. And then, again, you know, I had picked up some little paint type projects, my last Dollar Tree haul for me and my mother, but I thought, you know, Madeline and Caitlin would probably like to paint as well. So I got 2 more paint sets, and this is on like a little easel, and this one is kind of like a harvest or a pumpkin. Kind of makes you think of maybe a Thanksgiving theme. So I got one of those. And then I got this one is a little scarecrow. You know, the other piece I got was a scarecrow too, but it wasn't on this this particular kind of thing. It was on wood. So if they don't like one of these and they want to trade off and do one of the other ones, that's fine. But I did get this one, and again this one. So that is everything that I picked up on this haul. Like I said, I'm sure there's going to be more. So just stay tuned, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.